What's good, YouTube? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with a video. This video going to be about, well, it's not really going to be about anything because I don't really have anything to talk about. Let's just be real. Before we get started, of course, like I always say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Remember when I was just saying I don't really have anything to talk about? I really don't have anything to talk about. I miss you guys. I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I just want to say hello. How's everybody been? How's my wave fam? How's my wave community? Because I check in and out, but I just wanted to see what y'all was doing, what y'all was doing, what y'all been up with. I want to see some comments on this video. I want to see some comments on this video telling me what's going on, how your pattern going, how your waves are doing, do you need any assistance, how did the assistance from my past videos help you out, all that stuff. Real question, what have I been doing? Because I haven't been providing y'all with the knowledge. I haven't been providing y'all with any giveaways. I haven't been providing y'all with anything but just old videos. So where the hell have I been? So I'm gonna tell y'all, it's two things that I do outside of the whole wave community. That is my job, which is great, and anything that I'm passionate about, whether that's family or whether that's something, a hobby or anything like that. With that, one of the biggest things that I've been doing right now is photography. Photography has taken over a lot of my time. When I say a lot of my time, my actual job that I'm at for the company takes a lot of my time already as is. But this photography thing, man, is so cool to do, and I love it. I'm passionate about it. It's one of those things that I'm getting real good. I don't really think I'm all that, but I can show you. Let me show you just a couple of few videos. Let me show you just a couple of few of my photos. Show you some of my work. Just take a look. So I'm getting good, in my opinion and other people's opinion. I've only been doing it seriously for the last maybe year or so, but one of the great things about it is that I'm still waving. I still got waves on my head, people. Y'all can't see them right now because I have a rag on, and I have a cap on. Shout out to Monsoon, of course. Shout out to man, I've been away for so long, I don't even remember why. Imperial Do-Rags, yeah, Imperial Do-Rags, B-Will, and it was another one. Shout out to my boy, shout out to my boy D'Anthony Bradford, man. Those guys hooked me up before I was, heavily in the wave game. Before I left for a little bit just to do the photography, to focus on other things outside of waving. Those guys really hooked me up, man. So Monsoon, B-Will, D'Anthony, man, shout out to y'all. I actually left in the middle of a giveaway too, so I still gotta do that. I gotta come back with that. Like, I left y'all hanging, man. I hurt y'all feelings.
Why are you crying?
Oh, you sad? I got you though. Just wait, just be patient, okay? Be patient. But the main focus right now is the photography, my job, going out of town all the time, enjoying life, doing this, doing that. I'm about to get ready to move next month, which is really cool. I can't wait till I move. Man, it's just been a great experience. 2019 so far has been dope. Last year was a great year for me. It was dope for me. So just getting the opportunities, coming left and right, man. I have not stopped waving. I'm not going to completely leave the wave game. I'm always going to have a special place in my heart for the wave game. That's always going to be there regardless. So usually when I take time off or time away from the community or away from waving, you know, I start growing my hair out and I have the curls and stuff like that. Didn't do it this time. You know, I still got waves on my head. Next video, I may do an update video just so y'all can see what I've been doing, because I'm still brushing. Like, I'm still brushing, people. I haven't stopped brushing. It may not be as much, or it may not be as aggressively as I was doing before, but do know, like, I'm still brushing. But with that being said, I just wanted to make sure I checked in with y'all. Drop a comment down in the video, man. I want to hear from y'all. I want to hear feedback. I want to see what y'all got going on, man. Shout out to some other people I've been seeing doing videos too. I've been really on YouTube heavily because I, you know, research how to do a lot of stuff in my photography field and stuff like that, and a lot of my wave stuff will still pop up. You know, it still pops up all the time. J. Lou, just in time, dope video, bro. I saw you. I see you, man. That video was really entertaining. Like, he has so much editing skills. I wish I had the patience to do it, but that's not my era. Like my area. You know, I'm big on just being straightforward. I've always been straightforward on YouTube when it comes to wave tutorials and all that stuff. I've always been straightforward. I seen one with Jeezy. Jeezy and his daughter are so adorable. Jeezy, man, your daughter has her own realm of doing things. Keep that up. Run with that, man. I think it's Tatiana, you can have your own YouTube. You're gonna get your own YouTube eventually. Watch. I guarantee you're gonna get your own YouTube. You are your daddy's daughter. So it's real cute, man. I really like it, you know. And I just saw the boy Poppy Blasted. He just got a new house, and that shit big. Like, excuse my language, because I try not to cuss as much. But he has a huge home, man. Shout out to Pop, man. He got a new house, you know, for the family, the kids. You know what I'm saying? And it's PB the gang. They starting to do this own thing with the family. Jeezy doing his thing with the family. Like, everybody's getting real creative with these YouTubes, man. I'm just over here on the side trying to just pop a video in here and there, you know. But with that being said, man, maybe y'all can give me some ideas, because I'm ready out of ideas. Once you start being one-dimensional when you're giving out information and you're straightforward, there's really not a lot you can do, because if you try to go outside of your realm and be more entertaining, then you come off not original, you come off unauthentic, and it just seems forced. You know what I'm saying? Like, it seems too forced, and I ain't trying to do all that. I'm not trying to do all that at all. But these guys being creative like this, I'm trying to figure out, is anybody gonna watch my channel? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be selfish. I want everybody to eat, you feel me? But damn, they came with it. You know, they coming with it. Like, you seeing all that stuff. I got some ideas, but I don't know how they would work, and I don't know how much time I would have with me being so good and getting better at photography and getting booked and booked and booked. Like, I think I'm booked for like the next 3 months every weekend, and that's gonna take a lot of time from us, me and you. Hold up. I'm saying me and you, and it's backwards. Me and you. It's taking a lot of time for me and you, and we gotta do something with that. This is just, like I said, this is just me checking in with y'all, because I love y'all, man. Y'all hold me down. I wouldn't been where I'm at today if it wasn't for the wave community. I actually never would have bought my first camera if it wasn't for the wave community. My first camera was a Canon T7i, y'all. Y'all were the reason why I bought it, because I wanted to do wave videos. And then that sparked the ideal of photography and turned the photography thing into a massive passion that I really enjoy and I love. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now, you know. So I thank y'all, man. I love y'all for that. I appreciate everybody, everyone, and everything in the wave game about the community. And one more thing, don't tag me in these videos where these college kids, let me speak to the college kids that think they got waves. I'm tired of y'all, okay? The kids that's in college, that's on campus, doing these wave challenges, doing these or they think they so wavy challenges, or whatever you want to call them, you're trash. Come over to the wave community, come over to the wave pages that are on Facebook, and see what they're working with. I'm not gonna say we, because I'm an OG. I used to have them on point, you know, but I don't got them on point anymore like I used to, you know. But I'm gonna get them back. I'm gonna get them back. Don't worry, I'm gonna get them back. But tell these college kids that's on campus that's doing these So Wavy challenges, come to the wave community and see how we roll. Learn how to actually get your waves on point, because when y'all be unragging, I'd be ashamed. I'd be like, are you serious? That's what everybody said. Everybody's like, oh. I'm like, no. I'm like, no, it's trash. It's not worth it. But and I keep getting tagged, like on my personal page. Friends and family and everybody just keeps tagging me in those videos, and I'm like, stop tagging me in these trash wave videos. Like, I hate them. They're annoying, you know. But nonetheless, I want to thank y'all for coming in, watching the video. This may be my last video here in this environment. I move next month, March 26th. But with that being said, man, thank y'all. I love y'all. Holla at me in the comments. Put your information down. Get with me. Talk with me. Let's chat. It's whatever. It's your boy HB. Do I still do the snaps? Yes, I still do the snaps. 3. I'm out of here, man.